Welcome back to another siblings video. Today I'm showing you how to assemble our round plinth display stands. Let's begin.
I'm starting with the smallest display stand. First, I'm lining up one of the metal rings to the screw openings on one of the vertical pieces. I'm using 2 screws to secure the ring to the vertical bars, then adding a second ring to the opposite end. Once I'm done tightening the screws on this side, I'm adding the second vertical piece and attaching it to the 2 rings. I'm doing the same with the last vertical piece. Lastly, I'm placing in the frosted acrylic pieces and repeating the process for the other 2 display stands. These elegant round plinth display stands are perfect for showcasing desserts, flowers, candles, or pictures, and easily add a luxurious feel to any setting.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you stop by our social media pages for more event inspiration and subscribe to see our latest videos. Thank you again and see you next time.